Now we will start with our other learning. How to integrate Dubsado with Calendly. We cannot integrate Dubsado with Calendly directly. We have to use Zapier to integrate these two tools. First, we will create a workflow in Dubsado. This flow will send an email to the client once a call will be scheduled. We can add actions to our workflow as per our business requirement. We can send a form or we can create a to-do in Dubsado. Once you select the email, you can edit the email body or subject as well. Now just click on Apply and then click on Update the Project Workflows button. Now we will integrate Calendly with Dubsado with the help of Zapier. Now select Calendly and connect this app option and select Dubsado in with this one option. Pick invitee created as a trigger in Calendly app and the resulting action from the Dubsado app as a create project. Then click on Try it so that you'll be able to build, test, and turn on your workflow. Click on Create Project in Dubsado when invitee created in Calendly. Now, add a Calendly account through API key. I have already added one account earlier, but I will change the account to show you how you can add Calendly account. Click on Connect a new account. A new pop-up window will open. Just minimize this window and go to Calendly and click on Integrations. Now find Zapier and click on it. Now click on Go to Setup button. Here you will find the API key. Copy this API key. Now paste this API key on the window which we had minimized earlier. Now click on Yes, Continue to Calendly. Then click on Continue. Click Test Trigger to check the records in your Calendly account. Continue with selected records. Now click on Create Project in Dubsado to add a Dubsado account. Click on Choose and then click on Connect a new account. After click Open a new tab for API key. For API key, go to the brand setting in Dubsado, choose Zapier, and copy a generated new token, and paste API key in the account. And then click on Continue. In Action, select the data of project workflow, client company, name, client company, email, title, client email, and choose according to the requirement, and then Continue. Here we check the data was correct and the project was sent to Dubsado on the click of Test Action, then click on Publish. Here new Zap is created. Now come to the Calendly app, select the 30-minute meeting event and click on View Booking Page to select date and time, and click Next. And then enter the details of the client. Here I have selected my mail and scheduled the event. Scheduled events sent on client's mail as well as shown in Calendly's tab that is Scheduled Event. After completion of integration, LED is created in a project in Dubsado. Here, two projects have been created because I created two zaps for testing purposes.